Welcome to my channel.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Here is your book.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Sorry for being late.
It's okay.
I lost my pen.
Don't worry, I will give you one.
I made a mistake.
It's okay, don't worry.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, no problem.
Do you understand this?
No, I don't understand.
Could you help me with my homework?
Yes, of course.
Let's go for a walk.
That sounds good.
We should study now.
Yes, I agree with you.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I am thirsty.
Let's play football.
Not now, I am tired.
It's getting late.
Okay, let's go.
Let's start now.
Wait a minute, please.
Why are they shouting?
I don't know, what is going on?
Can you talk now?
Sorry, I am busy right now.
Can I call you now?
No, call me later.
Do you like my dress?
Yes, it's very nice.
How is the food?
I like it.
Do you like this song?
No, I don't like it.
You should do it again.
What do you mean?
Who is that man?
I don't know.
Do you know the answer?
Yes, I know.
What is the time now?
It's 5 o'clock.
Let's go to the park.
No, it's too late.
The bus is coming.
Okay, hurry up.
Why are you shouting?
Okay, I will calm down.
I am going outside.
Be careful.
Look at this picture.
Haha. That's funny.
I met a movie star today.
Really?
What are you doing?
I am learning English.
Can you understand me?
Please speak slowly.
Should we buy this one?
What do you think?
Will it rain today?
I am not sure.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Maybe.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
This game looks hard.
Let's try.
I have an exam tomorrow.
Good luck.
I got a new job.
Congratulations.
Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
I have to go now.
Okay, see you later.
Bye, take care.
You too. Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.